Hey guys, zpolt here and I'm back for another video, and I did an ultimate KZ comparison I think 6 months ago. It's my first popular video and I think it's time to update it now with the dawn of the KZ ZSN Pro. So this is the ultimate comparison of the sub $20 KZs. We have in our list the KZ ZSN Pro, the KZ ZSN, the KZ ES4, the CCA CA4, which I still consider to be a KZ, and also the KZ ZST, the OG. We're gonna compare them and give you guys my impressions and how this compares with each other in this video. But of course, we review budgetfi to midfi audio gear, so if you're into that, consider subscribing. And also use my links below if you want to get this 5. It will help out the channel a lot. So let's start first with a brief overview of the ZSN Pros. So the ZSN Pros is a lively sounding IEM. It's a V-shaped sound but a balanced sound as well. So the highs department are well extended. It's really crispy highs here. I would say the most extended highs here in this group. So definitely if you love highs, this might be for you. The mids, even if it's still V-shaped, it's more forward in the mix. So definitely it has good detail here in the mids department. It's listenable, and definitely I like this over the old KZ ZSN. So the bass is in the boomy side but not overly boomy that it drowns out the rest of the spectrum. I would say it's still well controlled bass here. Imaging here is above average. Soundstage is still intimate but a little bit bigger than the usual KZs, and this also has some punch because of that kind of dynamic driver bass here. So overall, I would say very likable sound here. This is something that anybody can pick up and will like, especially in that price range. So compared to the KZ ZST Pro, this is the OG KZ V-shaped hybrid IEM. So ZST is more relaxed sounding. The Pros are definitely more lively sounding. The ZST also has more toned down highs compared to the Pros. The Pros definitely has more shimmer there. I would say actually for the Pros, slight sibilance, especially for those treble sensitive people. The ZST has more relaxed mids than the Pros as well. More recessed also, so definitely more laid back in the mids department in the ZSTs. But I would say the ZSTs are still a nice listen, but definitely a bit more recessed here. The ZST has a more boomy bass than the KZ ZSN Pros, a more forward bass also, and also a touch more punchy bass here in the ZSTs. So yeah, if you like bass, if you like warmth in your life, the ZST Pros is also a good pick. It's more warm compared to the KZ ZSN Pro, just a touch. So the KZ ZST has a smaller stage, again the usual KZ intimate stage. The ZST has a smoother presentation also overall. The instrument separation is a bit better in the KZ ZSN Pros. So overall, the ZST Pros, even if they're old, I would say still not bad. Still, it's an enjoyable kind of listen, but definitely I still prefer the KZ ZSN Pros more. It has more shimmer on top, better detailed mids, which is really important for me, and more lively sound overall, more enjoyable sound overall. Compared to the KZ ES4, this is what I usually get some questions on. So the ES4 is warmer overall, smoother in presentation, and also more forward mids. So right off the bat, ES4 definitely one of my favorite mids in the sub $20 price range. So the ES4 is more relaxed sounding again compared to the ZSN Pros. The ES4 has more toned down highs compared to the Pros, but still the ES4 still has good highs extension as well there. The Pros has more shimmer. So the ES4 has more forward mids, fuller mids I would say compared to the KZ ZSN Pros. I still love the mids and the ES4 over the Pros. The ES4 also has forward bass as well, so definitely yeah, warm kind of signature here, and some mid bass elevation here in the ES4, so definitely warmer overall, and the bass is also forward in the mix. Bass punch here is about the same. So definitely for bass heads, the ES4 is something still a compelling package. The ES4 though has a smaller stage, again the KZ intimate stage. The ES4 also has about the same imaging. The ES4 has less instrument separation, though the Pros are better because the ES4 has a little bit of congestion there because of that warmer sound, and also that full mids here in the ES4. So overall, I still like the ES4. Again, it's an enjoyable listen, especially in that price range. So definitely, if you like warmth in your life, if you like bass, the ES4 still might be something that you might want to consider. But for me, overall, I still like the KZ ZSN Pro. It's a well-rounded IEM for me. Bigger stage, more shimmer on top, and also a more toned down bass and the better separation overall. So I like the KZ ZSN Pros more compared to the CCA CA4. So overall, this is actually close to the ZSN Pro, but warmer, more bass again here in the CA4. So the CA4 is more relaxed sounding, just a touch. The highs are more toned down in the CA4. The ZSN Pro again has more shimmer. The mids are recessed in the CA4, more so compared to the ZSN Pros. Again, the ZSN Pros have more forward mids here. The bass is forward in the mix in the CA4. Punch is about the same compared to the ZSN Pro. So definitely in the bass department, CA4 again is warmer. So the stage is still bigger in the ZSN Pros here. So overall, the CA4 is not bad. It's still an enjoyable listen, but I do prefer the ZSN Pros more. It's a more lively sound, more engaging sound, more shimmer, a bigger stage, and also the ZSN Pro is just a better package overall for me. So compared to the older brother, the KZ ZSNs, overall I'd say they both have a balanced sound, both V-shaped, but the Pros have a notch up in several parts of the spectrum. So the Pros are a touch more lively sounding. So not saying that the ZSN, the old one, is not lively sounding, but they just put it a notch here in the KZ ZSN Pros. So the Pros have more shimmer in the highs, more high extension. The Pros also have a little bit more forward mids, more listenable mids, and also better detail as well. They both have similar bass quantity here, so I would say about the same. The stage is also bigger in the Pros. So overall, still the ZSN, the old one, is still an enjoyable listen, but the ZSN Pro upgrades each part of the spectrum, so I still prefer now the ZSN Pros over the old ZSNs, and the ZSN Pros is more enjoyable listen overall. So yeah, compared to the other $20 KZs here in this channel, the ZSN Pros, I would say, is edging all of them. I do like the ZSN Pros over the other KZs here in this channel. And yeah, the KZSN Pro definitely is a really good value, especially for that kind of price range. The old ZSN is already a very good value, but they still put it a notch up here in the ZSN Pro. So definitely there's a lot of value to get with the KZSN Pro. Definitely the best under $20. So yeah, that is my comparison here, the ultimate sub $20 comparison. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, leave a like and of course subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.